What's up, gas junkies? First video from Exmouth. When I got to Exmouth, I arrived on the Monday. Viz was pretty bad. Weather wasn't the best for diving, so we were waiting it out, waiting for the wind to drop. Then Wednesday we decided to go out and test the waters. We went out into Lighthouse Bay and we hit the dive site called the Labryinth and also another site called Blizzard Ridge. We seem to always dive those sites when we're out there. They're really cool, heaps of fish life. We had a grouper there, heaps of the Gorgonian fan corals as well, which are awesome to see. But yeah, this is day one of Exmouth. Plenty of footage to come. I'm editing mad, but yeah, here it comes. Not the best viz, but check it out.
And these months went by so sweet. Met her down by the stream and she was pure, like honeycomb on the fire, and you in the north. And she tugged in my sleeves, asking where you going. I've been baking your cookies, you can leave in the morning. I want you around. But see, I'm drawn to your flames like a moth to the fold. Then there's a pair of jeans unwashed in your wardrobe, some cut at the seams of if who I become can be a man to the sea and the needs to your love. And if I could be your Captain Planet, would you be my girl? And together we could save the world here on out. I will do my best to be someone you deserve. We can say to other people, look, I'm better off with her. If I could be your Captain Planet, would you be my girl? And together we could save the world here on out. I will do my best to be someone you deserve. We can say to other people, look, I'm better off with her. Oh, oh, no, and I'm better off with her. I'm better off with her. Oh, oh, no, and I'm better off with her. Don't let me down. And these months went by so sweet. We jumped overboard, company wherever I go. She said, let's leave in the morning. And didn't do a jump, but for when it gets colder, she puts my head in her bed whenever I'm feeling low. Or if I feel like I kept too much from words that I chose. And there's a rust on my frame, or was I sitting too close? Is it salt in my palms, or have I been here before? And if I could be your Captain Planet, would you be my girl? And together we could save the world here on out. I will do my best to be someone you deserve. We can say to other people, look, I'm better off with her. If I could be your Captain Planet, would you be my girl? And together we could save the world here on out. I will do my best to be someone you deserve. We can say to other people, I'm better off with her. Oh, oh, no, and I'm better off with her. I'm better off with her. Oh, oh, no, and I'm better off with her. But I'm no good for your daughter. Till I've learned to breathe underwater. But she's been coaxing me under and telling me how she'll be holding my hands if I make it around. And I'm no good for your daughter till I've learned to breathe underwater. But she's been coaxing me under and telling me how she'll be holding my hand if I make it around. And if I could be Captain Planet, would you be my girl? And together we can save the world here on out. I will do my best to be someone you deserve. We can say to other people, look, I'm better off with her. If I could be a Captain Planet, would you be my girl? And together we can save the world here on out. I will do my best to be someone they deserve. We can say to other people, I'm better off with her. If I could be a Captain Planet, would you be my girl? And together we could save the world. Here on out, I will do my best to be someone that you deserve. We can say to other people, and if I could be your Captain Planet, would you be my girl? And together we could save the world. Here on out, I will do my best to be someone you deserve. And we can say to other people, I'm better off with her. And 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 I'm better off with her. Better off with her, oh love.